Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer with yeast and sugar using an easy method. We'll cover the simple steps to transform basic ingredients into your own homemade brew. This approach is fantastic for beginners, requiring minimal specialized equipment. You'll discover how yeast converts sugar into alcohol and carbon dioxide, the magic behind fermentation. Get ready to embark on a fun and rewarding brewing journey right in your kitchen. To begin your brewing adventure, you'll need a few key items. First, gather your ingredients: about 2 pounds of sugar, a packet of brewing yeast, and 1 gallon of clean, filtered water. For equipment, you'll need a 1-gallon fermenter, like a carboy or a food-grade bucket, an airlock, and a rubber stopper. Remember, sanitization is crucial. Clean everything meticulously to avoid unwanted flavors. Now, let's get brewing. First, dissolve your 2 pounds of sugar in about 1/2 gallon of warm water, stirring until completely clear. This creates your sugar solution, or wort. Next, cool this mixture down to between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooled, pour it into your sanitized fermenter, top up with clean water to the 1-gallon mark, and pitch your yeast. Seal the fermenter with the stopper and airlock. After about 7 to 10 days, fermentation should slow significantly. Now it's time for bottling. Prepare your sanitized bottles by adding about 1/4 teaspoon of priming sugar to each 12-ounce bottle. Carefully siphon the beer from the fermenter into the bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cap them securely. Store your bottled beer in a cool, dark place for 2 to 3 weeks to allow for carbonation and flavor development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.